Hi everybody, Bill here. In today's video I want to show you how to go from this ice dam to this. Let's get started.
Hell yeah!
Alright, so I bought this heating cable mat from this location, theicedamremover.com. Be sure and put in the first word, the. The power plug's in my left hand. The mat comes with a pipe across the top, and also a device you can put onto an extension pole and lift it up onto your eave so you don't have to get up on a ladder. If you're second floor, it might not work. But let me show you how I use this. Alright, once you get it up on your eave, cover it with a blanket, a tarp, or anything like that so it holds the heat in. Now this is about 16 hours later. You can see how it melted through the ice. Creates little chimneys as it's melting its way down the asphalt. Now don't get aggressive, be patient. You can take these ice cylinders and break them off, but don't go beyond that because you could damage your shingle. See, they come off real easy. So take that off and then that'll help. Cover it up again, and then we're going to come back the next day and you're going to see everything's gone. But this really worked very well. So let's take a look now the next day. Look at this. All gone. No damage to my shingles. Nothing. Boy, it's just bare. That is terrific. So this is a 6-foot piece. So basically I leapfrogged my way around my eaves to get the ice stopped and protect my property. Now let me take you around to another area of my house. I got two 14-12 roofs coming into a valley, and it created a little problem for me. Now what I liked about this, it removed the ice very quickly over a couple days, didn't damage the shingles, especially what was happening in that valley. Now next year I'm going to go and fix that. But again, here's the website of the Ice Dam Remover. Be sure and use the first word, the, or you'll end up in some other place. And they have different size, I'm going to call them heating blankets. Cable systems. I bought the 6-foot. I still have it, and I've never used it since I did the long-term fix I'm going to get into later. All right, so I want to keep to my promise. I wanted to keep this short and to the point. Take a look at that website, see if they can help you out. I know you won't be disappointed because it'll clean her up just like it did here at my house. All right, everybody, I'll put that link right here for you to take a look at. Let's get through winter together and get heading towards spring. So long, everybody.